This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint NFT on Solana easy method. Open your wallet, fund it with enough SOL, and prepare your image plus metadata JSON. Use a clear name, description, and attach an image URL or Arweave hash. Keep file sizes reasonable and validate JSON schema before uploading. Choose a reliable minting tool, connect your wallet, and confirm fees. Double-check metadata on the Solana Explorer after minting to verify success. Start by constructing metadata that clearly identifies each NFT image and its attributes. Include name, description, seller fee basis points, and an array of attributes for traits and rarity. Upload the image to a decentralized host and reference that URI in your metadata JSON. Validate the final JSON with an online schema checker, then bundle files for the minting tool. Proper metadata prevents broken images and ensures marketplaces display your NFT correctly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: I noticed a great finance book, Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with learning to monetize digital art and manage proceeds. Check the description for the link and other deals that can help you as a creator. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Select a Minting D app that fits your experience level and supports the features you need. Connect your wallet securely and set supply, mint price, and any whitelist controls. Review the transaction fees in SOL and confirm the mint when you are ready. After minting, check the token account in your wallet and view metadata on the Solana Explorer. Testing: a single mint reduces costly mistakes for larger drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.